Hey, I'm Angela with the EPB Energy Pros. Want to keep your home warm and cozy all winter long and save as much as 30% on your energy bills? Just have your HVAC system serviced by a reputable company twice a year. It'll cost around $100 a visit and can help avoid thousands in major repairs. Things such as leaky refrigerant, failing parts, or restricted airflow can damage your unit and drive up your energy costs. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, helps you avoid expensive repairs by up to 95% and can help you save up to a third of your energy costs. Call your EPB Energy Pros and we'll help you find a trusted service provider. And for tips specific to your home, schedule your free home energy checkup. Visit epb.com/energypros for details. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.